In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unknown app blocked message on your Samsung phone. So if you're trying to open or install a new app and you're seeing this error message, I'm going to show you two ways on how to go and solve this. Now, the first step is you need to just go and load up the settings on your Android, and you need to scroll down this page and click on Security and Privacy. You could then scroll down this page to where it says Auto Blocker and go and click on this and make sure the auto blocker is turned off and disabled. You may need to enter your phone's PIN code in order to confirm the changes. Now, once you've done this, head back over to the previous window and click on More Security Settings. You can then scroll down and click on Install Unknown Apps. And what you need to do is go and find the application that you're trying to download this new app from. So maybe you're trying to download the app from Chrome or maybe from your files. Whatever app you're trying to download this from, just go in, check the box next to that app. And that's going to allow us to open and also install new applications from this app. So I'm just going to turn on the option next to Chrome, as this is where I'm installing it from. And once you've done this, that will fix the unknown app blocked error.